How to make someone fall in love with you. 3 steps to getting your crush to love you. 3 steps, how to make someone fall in love with you. So you want to know how to win the heart of your crush. Pay attention, here are 3 simple steps to follow. Before we start, remember, never change yourself to make someone love you. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't put in any effort to win their heart. Okay, here are the 3 simple steps. Oh, and please, if you like my video efforts, like, share, comment and subscribe. Step 1. Listen. Pay attention to what they have to say. Ask questions about him or her, make conversations about them. Be genuinely interested in what they have to say. Show your interest. Step 2. Pay attention. Notice when they do something new, like a new hairstyle or wear a new shirt. Compliment them, make them aware of how much you pay attention to them. This will make him or her feel special. Step 3. Make them laugh. Show your crush your great sense of humor. Be pleasantly funny, show them you can laugh at yourself. Soon they will look to be around you when they are feeling down. They will see you as uplifting, funny and pleasant to be around. Follow these 3 steps and soon you will be able to make a romantic move. 1. Listen. 2. Pay attention. 3. Make them laugh. Thanks for watching. Please 1. Like. 2. Share. 3. Subscribe. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new facts. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.